how to organize digital photos on your computer. You need to organize your photos on your computer so you can find any photo quickly and easily. You need to come up with a filing system that you can add to over the years as you take more and more photos. And you need to be able to keep track of all the photos in the catalogue so you know which photos you've edited, which ones you haven't edited, the good stuff, the rubbish, and of course, the best stuff. Okay, so the starting point, one catalogue. Yes, one catalogue, dear listener. All my photos dating back to 2003, blimey, are in a single location. I remember reading some years ago that with Lightroom, there is no limit to the number of photos you can have in a single Lightroom catalogue. Not sure if this is still true or if someone's had too many photos and broken it, but I've got 80-odd thousand photos and it works just fine for me. So why one single catalogue? Well, it makes everything easier. Please believe me, it does. As long as you've got your organising done and you've got rid of your rubbish. We don't have to complicate everything in life. Life's hard enough, isn't it? Let's keep things as simple as we can do. And it's easy to back up a single catalogue, so there are no reasons not to have a single catalogue for all your photos. No reason at all, and that's what I do, and I've done for well over a decade. There's also much less chance of duplicate images, a problem that I had back in the day, and I'm pretty sure that this applies to other software, but I can't vouch for it, okay? I can't vouch for it. And another beauty of having all your photos in a single catalogue, it means you've got all your photos in one place in a chronological order, which is utterly splendid. I've got every photo from 2003 to Wednesday of this week, all in date order in one place. And that's massive for me. It's huge. That's over 20 years of photography, all in one place in date order. Wonderful.